I can't wait to have lunch with my friends today.
Look, she is coming over here right now. Hey guys, can I sit here with you today? Sorry, Emma, but this seat is completely taken. Oh, but I thought we always sit together, Lily. Well, there is just no room for you here today. Why is everyone staring at me like that? Did you hear what they are saying about her? My hands are shaking, and my heart feels so heavy.
That is really not fair. She looks so sad.
Is there anywhere else I can go right now?
Don't let her sit here. She will ruin everything. I just want to run away from this place.
I cannot just sit here and watch this happen. Hey, Emma. Come and sit at my table over here.
Why is Ethan talking to her? Doesn't he know? Are you sure it is okay if I sit there?
Of course. I have plenty of space, and I hate eating alone.
Thank you so much, Ethan. You are very kind. Don't worry about them, Emma. Just eat your lunch.
I don't understand why everyone suddenly hates me today.
Someone started a bad rumor about you this morning.
A rumor? But I didn't do anything wrong to anyone. She brought this on herself by what she did.
I know you didn't. That's why I am sitting here.
The bell is ringing. We should head back to class.
People are literally moving away from me in the hall. Look what someone wrote on my locker. It's horrible.
Give me that. Don't read it. It isn't true.
Is everything all right, Emma? You look a bit upset today.
I am fine, Miss Carter. Just a little tired. Even my desk partner moved to the back row.
Stay strong, Emma. We will figure this out together.
Please open your English books to page 42, everyone.
I can't even read the words on the page. Nobody wants to join my project group for class.
Miss Carter, can Emma join my group for this assignment?
That is an excellent idea, Ethan. Thank you for asking. Ethan is always trying to be the big hero.
Thank you again, Ethan. I felt so lonely there.
We are a team now, so let's make the best poster.
Drawing always makes me feel a little bit better.
Class is dismissed. Have a wonderful afternoon, everyone.
I want to find out who started that terrible rumor.
Let's think carefully. When did everyone start acting strange?
It started right after the morning English quiz we took.
I hope nobody finds out that we took the answer key.
Look at Lily. She looks very nervous about something over there.
Let's go talk to her and ask what happened.
What do you want, Emma? Leave us alone!
Lily, did you tell everyone that I cheated on the quiz? We didn't mean to cause so much trouble, Emma.
Be quiet. Don't say anything more to them.
Someone found Miss Carter's answer key, and everyone thinks it was Emma.
Well, it was on the floor near Emma's desk this morning. But I wasn't even at my desk then. I was helping the librarian.
Children, why are you still here after the final bell?
Miss Carter, we are trying to solve a big misunderstanding about the quiz.
Oh no! Now the teacher is involved in this!
What kind of misunderstanding are you talking about, Ethan?
Everyone thinks I stole the quiz answer key from your desk.
Oh, Emma, that is completely impossible. I had the key all day.
You had it the whole time, Miss Carter?
Yes, it never left my pocket. I dropped a blank paper this morning.
So, Emma never cheated at all. We were totally wrong.
Lily, did you spread this story without knowing the absolute truth?
Yes, I am so sorry. I told everyone during morning recess. I feel like I can finally breathe easily again now.
See? I told you that we would find the truth.
Tomorrow morning, we will clear this up before the entire class.
Emma, I am truly sorry for making everyone ignore you today. Thank you for telling the truth now, Lily. It means a lot.
Let's go home now. Tomorrow will be a much better day.
Today is a brand new day, and I feel confident. The sun is shining, and everything is going to be okay.
Good morning, Emma. Ready for a great day at school?
Good morning, Ethan. Yes, I am completely ready today.
Everyone, please quiet down. Miss Carter is about to speak. Class, I have an important announcement regarding yesterday's quiz rumor. The rumor about Emma was completely false and very hurtful. I want to apologize to Emma. I started a bad rumor.
We are so sorry we ignored you yesterday, Emma. Please forgive us.
True friendship means checking the facts before believing bad things. Thank you, Lily, for being honest, and thank you, Ethan, for your kindness. It is time for lunch now. Have a great recess, children.
The cafeteria doesn't feel scary at all anymore today. Let's see where we should sit for lunch today.
Over here, Emma. I saved a spot for you right next to me.
I am definitely sitting with my true friend today.
Hey, Emma. Is it okay if we sit with you guys too?
It is entirely up to you, Emma. What do you think?
Of course. Sit down. There is plenty of room for everyone here. This is how a real school community should always look.
To true friends who stand up for you when times are tough.
I learned that popularity doesn't matter as much as real actions. True friendship is proven by actions, not just by being popular. Kindness always wins in the end, if you stay honest. I am so glad I stood up for you, Emma. You are a great friend.